Hello dear students, hope you all fine. I am welcoming you again in my MIS DSS lecture series, in which we are going to learn today the concept of MIS. You can also say this Management Information System. So let's get started. So in our mind first comes is MIS. What is MIS? The term MIS is not a new one, but only its computerization is new. MIS consists of the following three parts: management, information and system. So in this figure it is explanatory that MIS consists of three parts: management, information and system. So what is management? First, to analyze the management process, it is better to know what is manager do. Functions of management are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordination and controlling. Management is the process of planning and regulating the activities of an enterprise. It is commonly used to cover the formulating of policies, its execution, its designing, organization of employees. Then second is information. Information consists of data that have been retrieved, processed or otherwise used for informative purpose. Information is what? Knowledge or facts. Information can be defined as meaningfully interpreted data. So data, process, information. Data को हम प्रोसेस करते हैं, उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं और तो हमें जाके मिलती है एक इंफॉर्मेशन. सो data is the raw material of information. And what is information? It's the data which is organized and presented by someone in a very systematic order. It's called information. And then we have a system. A system is a set of elements joined together for a common purpose. A subsystem is a part of large system with which we are concerned. All systems are parts of a large system. An information system is a system that gathers data and disseminates information with the sole purpose for providing information to its user. So all the three combine and makes management information system, which helps to give information to the required people and help in decision making for the organization. So MIS is a management information system is an information system that evaluates, analyzes and processes an organization data to produce meaningful and useful information based on which the management can take right decisions to ensure future growth of the organization. With the help of management information system, any organization can take important decision based on the data which is provided by the management information system for future growth, for controlling, organizing and directing. That's why it is called a management information system, because ये एक collaboration है सारे functions का management का, that it's managing, organizing, directing, coordinating and controlling the information which is coming from the organization. So now, taking the definitions from the different fields, according to Institute of Management Accounts, MIS is a system in which defined data are collected, processed and communicated to assist those responsible for the use of resources. According to Jeremy Cantor, MIS is a system that aids management in making, carrying out and controlling decisions. According to G.B. Davis, Management Information System is an integrated man-machine system for providing information to support the operations, management and decision-making function in an organization. So, I think you know what is the concept of Management Information System. This is a small and brief introduction of Management Information System. So, thank you all. In future, I am going to continue this series lecture of MIS. Hope you liked it. Please remember to share and comment.